Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Associate Professor Dr. Luchalot Kaulai. We are the Pidpiw groups. Today, we will present our work on vending machine. The equipment used is as follows. 1. Arduino Uno R3. 2. Motor gear. 3. LCD screen. 4. LCD screen module. 5. L298N TF module. 6. Speaker FK235. 7. Corn vending machine. 8. Jumper female and jumper male. How to use a vending machine? That is, must be a 5 baht. And corn inserts coins after inserting the coin. There will be a voice response saying, I have received the model. After that, press a button to select the desired product and to product view 4. Next will be an explanation of the code.
Starting from the first line, there will be the call to various library. Next, there will be the declaration of LCD control library. It's liquid crystal I2C LCD, which sets the display to show 16 characters per line and 2 lines. Lines 12 to 28 will be the pin assignment for device. Example, button is pin 4 and 5, sensor pin is 2, I and C. I is counter for the number of drops. C is amount of money. The commands will control the sound modules RX and TX pin. Variable name will be assigned for command use. Voice setup is the initial function when device power on. My software cell begin set the data transmission rate, and 0 begin display the command between sound module and the board. The LCD display will hello when the device is powered on. Button 1 and 2 pins will be assigned to using pull-up input. This done using pull-up input. The interrupt can only be a 0 or 1, which corresponds to pins 2 and 3 respectively, and it is used in the to count function for coin counting. Next, falling will count falling graph value. Int vol and int count are used for coin counting. Each time a coin is dropped, it counts as 1. For example, dropping 1 equals 5 baht. If it's true, then change value to false to prepare the new values. Next, additional features are added by including sound effects. Vol 1 and Vol 2 are used to read buttons. When the button is placed, the value returns to 0. So if Vol equals 0 and C equals 0. If C equals 0, it means no coin dropped, so the device won't work. Then C equals C minus 5 to subtract the number of coins, and I equals I minus 1 to decrement the count. Slot is a command to control the monitors. We make them rotate clockwise at a speed of approximately 50 within a range of 0 to 255. We use the slot command for both modes, followed by a delay of 500. After that, the modes stop working. Of work is the command to set everything to zero, then display the decluded amount along with a thank you sound. It's used for both button 1 and 2, followed by delay of 100. Then check this there no coin drop and no button place, then it's loop back again.
เครื่องได้รับเหรียญแล้วค่ะ